koutou, Kor Jonty here. He is Jonty.
And more today in Winton School, Kor Charlie here. He is Charlie. And welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ratu, the 28th of March. Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is Wharepaku, which is today for toilet.
As in, can I please use the Wharepaku? Try to use this week's word this week.
Kapai, onto health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate, from 11 until 3.
And our potaes are still required. Kia ora.
Keep up the fantastic work on wearing your hivers best. I wonder if we can all be seen wearing them home. Let's try get the whole school wearing them.
Birthday news!
No birthdays today, Winton School, but it's Lady Gagas' birthday.
Now for today's notices.
Calling all of the Year 3s and 4s touch rugby stars, who are the Winton Panthers and the Winton Tigers touch teams. Can you please meet with your coaches, Sarah, Talia, Owen and Archie, with your lunch outside roommate, ready for a quick training.
Miss Davis is running high jump practice for anyone who's doing central high jump. Head along outside room 11 at lunch.
Can Mr. T's problem-solving group please meet in the group room straight after lunch?
There's no kapahaka today.
Can Miss Crow's music festival group please meet her for a quick meeting in room 11 at morning tea, please? Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Haere te apopo.
Haere ra, and stay sharp, Winton School.